Building a website with Strikingly is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open your Chrome browser and then search here for Strikingly. After some time, the search is complete and you can see that there is the website of strikingly.com. You have to click on this link and you can see the dashboard of this website. You can see that make a website in a minute, build your brand, and conquer the world. Zero code or design skills are required. Next, you have to enter your first name and email, then create an account. But now this time, I have to show you one thing that is trusted by millions of entrepreneurs and creatives. Making a website has never been easier. So, it means that this platform is very easy to use, it's very usable, and they have many large number of users. You can see that when you click on the left upper corner, there are 3 lines. You know that there are many options like templates, pricing, affiliates, resellers, blogs, and support option. When you click on the template button, you can see all the templates that Strikingly website gives you to create your website. You can see that there are many beautiful and attractive templates that you can use to create your website. The next option is pricing. So, I'll open it in the next tab to see what pricing this Strikingly is offering to create an attractive website. In this window, you can see their simple prices and serious value. You can see that there are 3 plans of Strikingly, and the first one plan is a limited plan for $8 per month. Just start with a custom domain. It provides you with 2 limited sites, unlimited free sites, connect custom domains, free SSL for custom domains, and many more things in this section. And the next plan is $16 per month. You can see that they also provide you with many facilities that are too much than the $8 plan. The next plan is $59 per month. You can see that there are also many unlimited features of Strikingly. The next option is the affiliate program. So I will open it on the next tab also, and here you can see that it's an affiliate program of this website. This is a new option on this website, is that you can earn money. So how it work? You can see that they paid millions of dollars to over 6,000 affiliates. 50% commission for first year payments, plus 20% commission for recurring payments, etc. Use your unique affiliate link to earn a generous recurring commission for life. You can earn over $1,000 for a single transfer. So it means that when you refer anyone to use this website and create a website for this platform, then you can earn $1,000. Next, you can see that you signed up or logged into your Strikingly account to join the affiliate program. So if you want to join an affiliate program, then you can click on the sign up button, and then you can see that the new dashboard is open. That is the main page. And so you can create an account and share the links. But now you can see that the next option is resellers. If you want to become the reseller of this website, then you can buy the plan, and then you can sell this website to other people. The next one is the blog section, and the next one is the support section. Now we are going to create our account. So let's suppose I write my name here, and then you have to write your email here. And when you create your password, then click on Get Started. And now you can see that you have a new pop-up. If you want to save the password, then you can click on the Save button. But I want to save the password. Then click on the Save Password button. And you can also click on Not Save Password. So now here you can see that the website will look like this. Now you have to select the template to start creating your first website. On the left side of the screen, you can see many options like online store, business, landing page, membership and courses, creative, pause and events, personal, blog, and blank. Now you can see that the template is here. So this is a very attractive template that you can see. So if you want to create a website, first you have to select the template. So I will scroll down and find the best template for my website. Suppose I want to select this one. Then you have 2 options when you move the cursor on the template. First is to start editing and one is to view examples. So I want to view the example of this one. So now click on it and then open it on the new tab. So it's opening here. It may take some time to load. Then make sure you have good internet connection while creating the website. Now you can see that the website is looking like this. I can say that it's a very good template for me to create a website that will look like this. So now what you do, you can see that on the upper right, you have many options like home, button, what we do. Then I come back to the template section and then click on the Start Editing button. When you click on this button, it will take some time to give you a dashboard where you can edit your website. Here you can see that this is the website dashboard where you can edit your website. You can also edit it manually, but I am going to edit this website. So if you want to take the tour, how you can edit it, so then click on the Take Tour button. And if you are familiar with how to edit the website, then you can click on the No button. Next, you can see that that's the website, and here I want to add the picture in the background. So now you have to double click on it, and here you can see that a message pops up that is Add Image or Video. Now if you want to add an image, then click on this button, and here you have 2 options. The first one is image and the second one is video. Let's suppose you want to add an image. Then you have to click on the upload button. But you have one more option, which is the add link button. It means if you want to link a picture from any website, then you just have to copy the link and then paste it here. then picture will be added here. The next option is video options. If you want to add a video, then you have to enter the video link here. So I will add the picture here. Now you have to click on the image button, and I want to add a picture from my computer. So just click on the upload button, and then again you have to click on browse your computer. So you can see that my computer is open, and here you can see that I have many images. So I want to keep this image to add to my website. And you can see that it's uploading here. So you can see that the picture has been added. Here you can see that the editing of this website is open. Here you can edit it. But I don't want to edit it, so I just clicked on the save button. So it will look like that. Next, if you want to change this word, you have to select this word and then you have to delete this here. Next, I want to write here, welcome to my visitors. Now you can see that I have typed it. And if you want to bold this text, then you just have to select this text. And next you can see that there are some new buttons in the drop-down menu that are bold buttons. You can bold this, and if you want to do italic, then click on italic, so it will become like that. Now you can see that there is an underline button. Then you click on this button, it will become underlined. The next button is the link button. If you link this text with any one website, then you can click on the link button. And then you have to paste the link here, and it will become operational as well. The next one is the email section. You can enter the email in the document if you want to add. Just you have to upload the file here, and then click on this save button. Let's suppose I want to add a document on Word. So you just have to click on upload button, and then you have to click on browse button. And then you can see that I open my computer and just have to select the file here. So I just click on upload file button, and you can see that the file is uploading here. And I will show you how this works after creating the website. So make sure you have good internet connection while creating your website. You can see that this is uploaded, and you just have to click on the save button. After this you can see that it's done, so that's all you want. So we will publish this website. Next one is the layout option. If you want to change the layout, then you can change this. If you want to change the color, just click here and you can see that the color of the background is changed. So I want to go back to the set white color. That's good. Now you can see that another option here. That is add button. So if you want to add button, then click on add button, and if you want to sell something, then you have to enter the buy now button here. Write the buy now here and click on the save button. So buy now button will be added in your website. And you can see that the next one is a very important section. You can say that it is your portfolio section, and it may be your services section that you want to sell. So if you want to change the layout of this section, then you just have to click on the grid layout button on the left side of the screen. Click on the setting button, and here you can see that this is the area that you can select on which you want to create your grid about your services. Let's suppose I want to do this one, then click and select this one and then just click on it. And here you can see that more 6 columns added to my website. So let's suppose I want to add the title here, then you just have to click and then write here title. So I write here web development because I want to sell my web development service. So I write here a web development service and then select it, hold it, and then change the color of this. So now you can see that it's done. You can set the text which you want, and then you can see that you just have to move to the upper side. You can see and add anything in this section according to your requirements. And the next one is the testimonial section, and you can edit it in the same manner that we have done previously. If you want to change the picture, you just have to click on picture and click on image editor. And you can upload your image here and you can edit this image. And you just click on the save button so it will be saved. So in this way, you can edit your website on Strikingly.